Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to build an automated meeting summarizer. And who is this for? Who should need it? If you have a team of like two or more people, a lot of times you'll find that you're having your team members are having meetings with different people, and then it's very hard to like get in loop with each other, having to do team meetings to figure out what those meetings are about, to discuss them and everything. And it's very hard for the entire team to stay together in the loop. So right here, what we've made is an automated meeting summarizer, meaning that every time you do a meeting, right after you end that meeting, you don't do anything. It's all automated. And in a Discord or Slack channel, you'll get a message of a summary about the meeting, who was talking, who, what's a summary of each person, what each person has to do next, according to the meeting and everything. Very in-depth summary. And with that, it will save you guys a lot of time. The best part is that it's completely automated, meaning that once you set up, you don't have to worry about anything. You just go on your meetings regularly and you get off them and you don't do anything, and the summaries will pop up in your Discord or Slack channel. So let me show you guys how to set this up. It's pretty simple. You'll be needing three things: Tactic, Zapier, an OpenAI account, and the Google Drive. I think it's four things. But let's get started into it. So first, you go into a website called Tactic. You download that. There's also a Chrome extension you have to download. Once you sign in, it will automatically give you that. Once you download the extension, then everything will, every time you hop in a meeting, then that extension, you can see it right here. For me, it's right here. Uh, right here. Every time you hop in the meeting, it will automatically join. So once you get the transcript of the meeting, you need to do this. So you go into integrations right here. You go into your Google Drive and you connect your Google Drive right here. So once you connect your Google Drive, make sure that the drive is a shared folder with all your team members. And make sure you have these two settings activated. So right here, this is our drive right here. Let me just quickly delete this, move trash. And the way that this automation will work is that the moment a transcript is uploaded into the shared drive, the automation will get triggered. And let me show you guys an example. So just make a copy. So right here, the automation that we have in Zapier, the moment it sees a new file being uploaded, then the automation will start. So it will take some time for it to pop in Discord because it has to go through the OpenAI and everything and summarize it. But I'll show you guys that in a few seconds. So let's get started first on the Zapier part of it. It's a very simple part. It's actually three parts: only Google Drive, ChatGPT, and Discord. It's just like a Discord only lets you have 2,000 letters or characters per message. So we have this here, but it's unnecessary. You don't really need it. We already have the AI prompted to have it less than 2,000. This is just like a more of like a emergency backup in case if the AI messes up. But right here, you connect your Google Drive right here. You connect it, and then you have it. You the drive, the shared, and then you have the shared folder right here. So right here we have a name Tactic Transcriptions. And let's okay, right here. You see at 9:20 we got our meeting, and that meeting that I just the transcript I just put in the Google Drive, that was me and one of my co-founders talking about actually this thing. So you can see right here in attendance who it was, the promises and actions, next step we were to take, and the overall summary. It's pretty neat. So right here, once you have this Google Drive connected, then you make a next step with ChatGPT. So right here, you do a conversation with Assistant. You connect your ChatGPT account. And then in this message summary, you type summarize the upload PDF. And right here in your okay, so this is where you'll need an OpenAI account. And then once you make your OpenAI account, you go into the Assistants tab and you create a new assistant. And this is what we have right here, Transcript Summarizer. So right here in the Transcript Summarizer, make sure you have this retrieval on, and you need these instructions right here. So actually, I will have the instructions linked somewhere in the description below so you guys can see that. But once you have that set up, you go back into Zapier and you basically connect that right here. And then when you go to Assistant, it'll pop up right here. Refresh results. Right here, Transcript Summarizer, you select that. And then, and right here, you go into your new files and you select the file PDF. Make sure you don't click this one because I made this mistake. Don't click file. Make sure it's file PDF. Just search up right here and put that in right there. And then you're pretty much done. Make sure it's also GPT-4 Turbo Preview. Make sure it's very important that you have on that one because that's the newest and fastest model. And that it's very simple. You leave everything else blank, and then you just go and you can just test the step. And you can see it right here. It'll take the file and it'll show you the response right here. So right here, this is the 2000 limit. This is unnecessary. You don't need this. You can skip this step. And then you go to send channel message. So you create a new action with the Discord. Make sure the event is send channel message. Make sure you have your Discord account set up. Action, and you can have whatever these things they want. Make sure that for the output, so right here we have, what we can do is right here, conversation assistant GPT. And there should be something like, you should click the one full response right here. Click this one full response and we'll have that. If you're not doing this step, then you don't need this, what we have right here. So you just need this full response right here. And then you just test it out. We test up and you should get a message in your channel. So right here, I got the message. And yeah, that is a very easy and simple way to set up an automatic meeting summarizer automation. It's very cool. I think everyone should have this, especially if you have a team of more than 2 people. It helps keep the team very in sync. Make sure that all your team members know that what's going on around as a business, and it just creates a very better operational experience for your entire team, and your employees will love you for that. Other than that, I hope you guys got value from this video, and I'll see you on the next one.